Hi, I am Francis, the host of this show Cooking with a Dog.
こんにちは。今日はご要望の多かったカツ丼です。
Okay, let's cut the ingredients. Cut the onion into thin slices. Chop the mitsuba, Japanese wild parsley, into small pieces. Let's prepare the pork loin for tonkatsu. Make cuts along the tough stringy parts of the pork. Flip it over and make cuts along the stringy parts again. Pound the pork to make it tender. Sprinkle salt and pepper on one side. Let's make beaten egg for tonkatsu. Crack the egg into a bowl. Place a quarter of the egg into a tray. Add water and beat the mixture with a whisk. Let's coat the pork loin with flour. Use a brush to coat uniformly. Flip it over and coat the other side with flour. Next, dip the pork loin in the beaten egg. Finally, coat the pork with nama panko, fresh breadcrumbs. Shape the pork with your hands. Let's deep fry the pork loin at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the pork in frying oil and deep fry it until golden brown at medium heat. Rotate the pork to brown uniformly. Flip it over and deep fry the other side until golden brown. Take out the tonkatsu, deep fried pork, and drain excess oil. Cut the tonkatsu into 1-inch pieces. Let's make Katsudon sauce. Add water, granulated dashi, soy sauce, honmirin, sugar, and the onion in a small pan. Stir lightly. Put a lid on and cook at medium heat. When it starts boiling, reduce heat to low and cook about 3 minutes. When the onion gets soft, place the tonkatsu into the pan. Immediately crack the egg into a bowl. Lightly beat the egg. Pour the egg on top of the tonkatsu. Put the lid on again and cook 20 to 30 seconds at high heat. Add the mitsuba on top when the egg is your desired softness. Serve the steamed rice in a rice bowl. Gently place the tonkatsu on the rice with a spatula. A trick to make delicious katsudon is to pour beaten egg when the tonkatsu is still warm and cook at high heat.
甘さと辛さのバランスが絶妙です。
This is a simple and delicious recipe and I hope you try it yourself. Thank you for watching.